Hello, welcome. To simplify this rational radical expression, the subtraction, the LCD of the denominators will be the product of the conjugates 2 root 2 plus 3 times 2 root 2 minus 3. And this we use to find equivalent fractions where 2 root 2 plus 3 cut 2 root 2 plus 3 to leave us with 2 root 2 minus 3, which multiplies the numerator 2 root 2 minus 3, such that we have 2 root 2 minus 3 all squared. Likewise, the second 2 root 2 minus 3 cancelling out, leaving us with 2 root 2 plus 3 times 2 root 2 plus 3. That's 2 root 2 plus 3 squared. Then we remove every bracket, but first in the numerator, the product of the perfect squares will be by binomial expansion. 2 root 2 minus 3 all squared will be 2 root 2 squared minus twice of 2 root 2 and 3, then plus 3 squared. And for the second brackets, we have 2 root 2 squared also. Then with a plus in between, it's going to be plus twice of 2 root 2 times 3 and plus 3 squared. While in the denominator, it is product of conjugates that we have, and that comes out as difference of two squares. So that will be 2 root 2 squared minus 3 squared. Simplifying further the expression in the brackets, especially in the numerator, 2 root 2 squared, that's 2 squared times root 2 squared, which is 4 times 2, that's 8, minus 12 root 2 plus 9. Then the second, 8 plus 12 root 2 plus 9. In the denominator, we have 8 minus 9. Removing the brackets, the first one is 8 minus 12 root 2 plus 9. Then we use the negative to, we distribute the negative sign here into the second bracket. That changes all the signs. So we have minus 8 minus 12 root 2 minus 9. In the denominator, it is negative 1. And when the like terms are grouped together, 8 and negative 8 will go out. Positive 9 and negative 9 will also go out, leaving us with negative 12 root 2 minus 12 root 2, which is negative 24 root 2. That over minus 1, leaving us with 24 root 2 as the final answer. Here is another one, express sine 60 degrees minus cos 60 degrees over sine 60 degrees plus cos 60 degrees in the form a plus b root c. So sine 60 minus cos 60 degrees over sine 60 degrees plus cos 60 degrees, where sine 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. So we have root 3 over 2 minus cos 60, which is 1 over 2. And the denominator will be root 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And both in the numerator and the denominator, the LCD is 2. So in the numerator, the LCD is 2, and we have root 3 minus 1. And in the denominator, the LCD is also 2, where we have root 3 plus 1. Now, the expression becomes root 3 minus 1 over 2 divided by root 3 plus 1 over 2, where the division is turned to multiplication. So we've got root 3 minus 1 over 2 times 2 over root 3 plus 1. 2 takes out 2 to leave us with root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1. We then rationalize the denominator of the resulting expression. Root 3 minus 1 over root 3 plus 1, the resulting expression, will be multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator to rationalize it. Root 3 minus 1, then over root 3 minus 1. So in the numerator, root 3 times root 3 is 3. Then root 3 times negative 1 is negative root 3. Then minus root 3 again and plus 1. While the denominator, difference of two squares, root 3 squared minus 1 squared. And that would be 3 plus 1, 4. Minus root 3 minus root 3 is minus 2 root 3. In the denominator, 3 minus 1. Factoring 2 from the numerator, we'll be having 2 times 2 minus root 3 over 2. 2 cancelling out and leaving us with 2 minus root 3 as the answer. And since this is to be in the form a plus b root c, we will compare this with the answer. And when comparing, it is obvious that a is 2, b is negative 1, and c, the number under the square root symbol, is 3. A is 1 for you. Put your answer in the comment section. Find a, b, and c when sine 30 minus sine 45 over sine 30 plus sine 45 is expressed in the form a root b plus c. I believe you have enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and give it a like. See you in my next video. Bye.